officially fall, and days to take the car out for a rip are coming to an end. So I figured I'd take her for a cruise before I can. A couple more weeks, this thing's going sleepy, and then there's going to be some major work done to it this winter. Like major. I'll have a ton of videos for you guys this winter. Metric ton. I think you guys see what I got the plans in store for this. I'm not modifying anything, I'm not really changing much, I'm just doing a bunch of work to it. Neglected, needs some loving, needs some attention. Take care of some issues it's got. Driven much in the last couple of years, and little gremlins are rearing their ugly little heads. One of the things getting fixed is the brakes in it. Sounds like that choke's not coming off either. Needs a fourth gear. I'll be working on that this winter. Putting a fourth one in it. She won't be revving up so damn bad. Rolling in, the trees are slowly changing. Another week and a half, and these trees are going crazy. I've been working 50, 60-hour weeks, getting as much overtime in as I can to put money away for parts for this car. Lots of things in the works. I got the money right now, I just don't have the time. So wintertime when work slows down, pretty much be living in my garage. That Massey Ferguson 7 I have, I've been kicking around the idea of doing a restoration on that. Rebuild the motor, do all the bushings in the front end of it, go through the transmission, make sure everything looks good in there. I mean, everything functions. Well, the last time I drove it, everything functioned just great, but... And then paint the son of a bitch. I ordered decals for it. I got most... I can't find all the decals for it, so some of them I'm going to have to reuse, which ain't necessarily a bad thing, because a lot of the stickers on that car or on that tractor are in great shape. Still like to replace my hate tape around stickers. That looks so freaking tacky, but some shit you just can't replace. Like one of the things I want to do is take that VIN tag off, paint underneath that, but I gotta find the right rivets to reattach the tag. I don't want to put just regular pop rivets in it. you can buy for collector cars. You can buy the right pop rivets to reinstall tags and shit, but I gotta see what I can find for that tractor. I guess push comes to shove, I'll just use regular pop rivets until I find the correct ones to attach that tag back on. Weather's perfect out. It's about 70 degrees out. Next to no humidity. Love it. Be like this all summer long, but not ever gonna happen. Gear ratio in this thing. It ain't screaming bloody murder. Hold this speed. Oh, wait till you guys see the tires I'm getting for this. That'll be freaking neat looking. And the wheels. Gonna be sweet. Repainting the dash in here too. The glove box is all scratched to the hell, and I don't know why. You look at it, finally the paint comes off it. I know for a fact if I just paint the glove box, nothing else is gonna match, so I gotta do the whole friggin' thing. Not enough time. I got a Sears. It's not a Suburban issue, it's a lighter edition. Sears from the 60s, late 60s, early 70s, like a 10XL it's called, I think. Do that one too, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I want to restore that one yet. Not sure I want to. Let's see what happens. Biggest things, I can't wait to get the brakes fixed in this car. First thing on the list of the spring is new exhaust. not me steering it, that's the brakes doing their thing. Pulls the left hard. The left brake is grabbing harder than the right one is. Let this guy go by. Busy time in the shop. Busy time. Lots of things going on. There's some things I'm not even going to bring up. Just wait for you guys to check it out and see for yourself. Hey now, people. That van was giving me a hard jack. I didn't think she was stopping. And then she gives me a dirty look. What the fuck?
No bone?